Norman.
I would start.
Okay, you start.
Mommy.
Look. What is it? What is it? A train? Do you know who it is?
I don't know.
That's Victor.
Yeah, that's Victor.
Yeah.
What's his number?
I don't know.
I can't see his number.
Here, slide it over to me. Maybe I can see what his number is.
Jugger, 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 jugger. No, not mommy. Oh, man. Ew. What could it be?
What could that be?
Black pig.
Lovely. Norman, ouch.
Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it?
What is it?
Percy.
Percy!
And he talks. Oh, he talks. Press it again.
Ah. Butt. What's that? What is it?
Tennis.
A Thomas video?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think it's called Thomas and the Snowy Day.
Snowy surprise.
Oh, the Snowy Surprise. Oh, Norman's gonna eat the paper. Do you want to look at the things in your stocking? Or you want to wait?
I will wait.
Okay.
Tennis.
What's in there?
Do you know what my parents got me?
No.
Which one?
There's no presents here from your family.
Oh, they left over the card. Okay.
What's that?
What is it?
A bunch of cars? Things that, whoops, that Santa couldn't fit in your stocking.